Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I have few errands to run. And I will take you along with me. And this is my OOTD of the day, ready to step out. I'm coming from the bank and I decided to check out this Beba shop. They have so amazing dresses, summer dresses, every kind of dresses, buyers, and at affordable prices. I saw it on TikTok and today I decided that I'll check it out. So yeah, I picked a few of the clothes and this is how they look like. So this was the first one, which fitted very well. I loved it. It was long, very comfortable. The second one, too short, but it fitted. I didn't like it was too short. This is the third one, fitted well, but it was a bit tight. So yeah, I did not like it. So I ended up picking the first one, but I'll come back again and check a few more. After that, I decided to go and restock on my bed sheets. So yeah, I'll leave the number down below to my description box. You can reach out if you're going to be interested. One bed sheet, two pillowcases, it goes for 1200 shillings only.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop.
I made it home, alhamdulillah. Today my day was very exhausting, but it was worth it. Yeah, so alhamdulillah, I'm so grateful. I'm just going to take a break for a minute, then after that I need to cook. I'm already defrosting my chicken. I'll have some rice and chicken stew, that will do. Then I refresh and unpack and pack the orders. So let me do that and I'll see you when we are packing the orders.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, yeah, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll.
So guys, I'll leave the number below down to the description box. Make sure to check it out. The bedsheet is a 7 by 8. It's pure cotton and it goes for 1,200 only. Make sure you reach out and make your order.
Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll.
So guys, here are the sample of the sheets that I restocked on this month. Very affordable and high quality. So make sure to check the number down below to the description box and reach out. So guys, I'll spend my afternoon packing the orders, and I'll have to deliver some of the orders today because they're not going far. And for the rest of the order, I will deliver them on Saturday morning. Yeah, and we still have bed sheets in stock. Yeah, so make sure you reach out to us and place your order. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for being here. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, so see me when I see you to my next video. Bye.
Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.